Hello YouTube, Logan here.
And Felipe.
And in today's video, guys, we are going to be doing kind of like a little shootout between the WPL C-14 KM with a 2-speed transmission and SCX24, which has previously been on the channel. And you guys seem to like those videos, so we're doing another one. Then we just have the good old D12 right in the middle. He's not going to be competing. He will be in, yeah, he will be in a new video shortly though, so be on the lookout for that. So before we get into this, Felipe, where are we going first?
I'd say back there.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want me to start?
Yeah, just start with the back. Don't worry, it's fine. Yeah,
I'm just gonna.
Should we be worried about the number that Torrin put on there?
No, it's fine.
Alright, whatever.
I'm sure we won't get demonetized.
Okay, so the first challenge to set up these trucks to see which one's better over here, Felipe. We're gonna try and see whose truck can get up. Okay, please stop. That's getting a little annoying. Whose truck can get up to the top of here from this little slope. It's kind of steep, about 40-45 degrees. So I'm gonna try and go first. Felipe, you can go after me, but just stay there and be content for a second, because this thing's pretty good, but it's just kind of too small for some of the stuff we're doing today.
Hopefully we don't break Torrin's truck.
We're not gonna break it. And if we break it, we're blaming WPL, because that shouldn't be able to break. Plus, I bows it.
Trademark.
Yeah, trademark. Okay, so my truck is not going to do it. So that's 0 points. We're gonna try and award points. All right, let's see if you can get up to the top now. Don't forget, there's a 2-speed transmission, but right now you want to keep it in second. A little bit more wheel speed.
It's that one rock right there.
You're almost there, dude. You're kind of digging a hole for the rear wheels, though, so that's kind of something I'm gonna be careful with.
Steep hill.
Yeah, do we just want to say that it's not gonna get up here?
Yeah,
It's not gonna get up there. Okay, so both of our trucks couldn't get up there, which it is kind of on some loose sand. But so let's go to our next challenge. So for our next obstacle, we are going to be having the C-14 and the SCX24 go do a little bit of rock crawling up this and this. So if you want to take a little shot there, Felipe, see if it can do it.
Okie dokie.
Dun, 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 dun. Remember, Felipe, remember what I told you, dude? You gotta be easy on the throttle. Easy on the throttle. Easy on the throttle. There you go. There. Try to get your left tire hooked on the rock up here. So try to come in at an angle so the left tire comes in front.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it.
So just
Get
try to
some
get
help.
the left tire to kind of hit this rock first. Or that works. I guess. I don't know.
Oh wait, I have no idea. What else?
Da 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 da.
Okay, it's safe to say, yeah, I'm not doing that.
Okay, it's time to see if the SCX can do that.
6-9 is fine.
Okay. Put this little guy over here. Just kind of recorrect the course a little bit. I think it was more like this.
Yeah, I think it was.
Something like that. This is not supposed to be a completely accurate test, by the way. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that grip. Yeah, first try.
Sadness.
And you can give it another shot.
Okay, look at that. God dang it.
Okay, so that it was.
I'm just gonna kind of
that was our other obstacle.
All right, so I think it's 0-1.
Okay, so for our next little challenge, we're gonna do the drag race. But since mine doesn't have a first and second gear, and it's always in first, we put his in first gear. So now it's gonna be a little more even compared to these two. And go.
No, my thing lagged.
How's my truck beating yours?
I think mine's a lot slower.
Okay, so I beat. Okay, my truck's just spazzing out over there. Yeah, so I beat his truck while he was in first gear. Nope, not really. Yeah, his truck is really nice when it has that second gear. All right, so now we're gonna do a race. I'll see you once we're right there. Okay, here we go. Here's our race. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, you're allowed to help it if it gets stuck. Oh my God! There you go. Okay. Whoa! Da 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 da.
Sorry, Torrin.
Felipe, you're supposed to come up over here, bud.
There we go.
Okay.
What time?
Around 40 seconds. I'm just gonna call it 39 since it's around 39.24. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's your turn to time me.
Okie dokie.
I can just drive one-handed. Don't worry. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna do what you did.
Yay!
There you go. Yeah, see, it's lagging a little bit. Whoops. Don't worry, it's just a little bit that much in Derby. My truck goes at a blistering 3 miles an hour. Maybe not even that fast. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not gonna sing any music because it could be copyrighted. You never know. Then my humming is gonna get my video copyrighted, and I'm gonna get copyright strike for that. Okay, I kind of need just a little push there. There you go, just a little tap. And that's time.
Alright. 58:16.
Yeah, that's where the speed comes in.
I mean, it's
Well, whatever.
saying no, I'm not lying.
Okay.
Oh, I am very sorry. I did
Okay.
not mean to. Alright, well, I do have to bring that back to
Yeah, to Rich Man's house.
Yeah.
Okay, so his truck won the fastest. Now mine's good, but it's just
Hey
kind of
guys,
slow.
let's have some good music.
That's not a good idea there. Oh, dude, watch out. Hey, be careful, you almost got that run over.